Hi, I'm John Paget, the owner of Key Mobile Locksmiths, here at 116 Sheriffs Road, Morphett Vale. We're the best in our field in the area because we have the largest range of stock, we have friendly service, we have very, very high quality locksmiths, and we offer very fast service to your door. Well, Key Mobile Locksmiths is expanding all the time. We're looking to grow further into the south and head a little bit further north in the near future. Always looking to expand the range of our products and to grow with the marketplace as it develops. We've moved into the southern area about 9 years ago and decided to bring our business up the hill here. We've enjoyed the area so much that we have opened the shop here and developed our business to support the local community. We love trading with locals and we do a lot of networking through the southern area and continuously looking for ways to help local people. So if you see our vision here on Best of Marion Morphett Vale and you come into our shop, spend over $100 and we will give you a free key safe worth $69 free of charge.